We've gone through two things in the previous video. Those were pick a costume and pick a backdrop. Both of these are done. Now we're going to do the next thing, which is pick a sound. Pick a code to program power up will be a little more advanced. Okay, so let's start. Um, let's go to Scratch and let's go to the sounds tab. Now, all of these should not have any sound. And first of all, what sounds do we have? Game sound. Okay, game sound. Where game sounds are usually loops. So let's go to the sound tab. But also the game sound should only be for the back and check. So since I said they were loops, let's go to loops. And what do we have here? Sounds okay. We want something like game sounds. So let's go down. Since here you see more instruments. And oh, look at this! We have a video game sound. So I think this is video game, and this should be video game too. Honestly, I like this for one better. So take video game one, and okay, if you want, you can make that robot. Now it sounds a little old, but it's okay. We don't need to delete this, but we might need to do that in the other one. So, oops, yeah. So so that's how you edit it. Let's go to the let's get that sound for our chick. You can get either one of these, but I'll get this for our chick. With the bat. The bat. That's the bat. See, no difference. So that's how you know that both of these are the same. Next, what do we need? We need a losing sound when the game's lost. So let's get the losing sound. For the losing sound, they'd also be looped, but we won't loop the loop over again, and we won't loop the loop. We won't put the sound over and over again. And we won't um the losing sound should only be for of like a couple seconds. Oh, look at that! There's one that fits it perfectly. Lose. Could be a little louder. And there's this little useless part which will make a little weight. So we want our sound to be short. So what do we do to that? So you see this little button called copy here? You click on that. See where it fades out? You click right there. And then you scroll all the way to the back. So this part is muted. You can see when you press the play, no sound, right? So um what do you do? There's going to be this little scissor which says delete. Click on that. Yeah, let's get the same for our bat. Choose a sound. Let's click use. Do the same edit. Copy. Copy. Now this is a little bit more, so you take this, click the delete, and then you just make it yeah. So yeah, these are pretty much the same. And then we also need a power up sound. Okay, got it. Power up sound only for the power up. Let's have it some effect this time. And like a magical effect. So let's do like magic. Oh, that's okay. No, oop. This is more like the. Now there's this little delay. Only kill the delay out on this ish part. Copy, click, click, click. Listen to. And if you want, you can flip it over like that. Just pull this to the other side, and let's see how it's. Yeah, this is good. And be sure not to delete this part. You gotta flip it over again, and then click delete. So these are all the sounds we will be needing for our game.